that sense of pride and of community and being involved, it just goes hand in hand of being a union member. Speaking as a third generation IBEW member, I saw this opportunity as one of the better ones where we could really highlight what we do and being part of our community and always wanting to give back. And that's really what, unions stand for.
And no matter who you talk to in IBEW Local 134, the giving back attitude represents a widespread culture across its ranks and boundaries.
This building was just purchased by a group called South Chicago Parents and Friends.
We support individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities, age range from 18 and up.
We came in here today to kind of go through the place, top to bottom, and give them a clean bill of health on the electrical system.
Our relationship with the IBEW Local 134 started a few years back when they were a platinum sponsor for our fundraising and development events.
We love doing stuff like this. We always want to give back to the community. We always try to help out where we can.
Through a family relationship, expanded to bringing electricians and apprentices out to our new location in Dalton, Illinois, to help us with some of our electrical needs.
As soon as I mentioned it to our business manager, Don Finn, he said, let me know what you need.
South Chicago Parents and Friends was incorporated in 1976 by a group of parents whose children were excluded from the public school system.
Our parents passed away in the early 90s, and Sheila Stone, our sister, moved into a residential spot. And that was a very difficult transition for all of us, but she seemed to adapt better to it, than all of us.
We support them through our family support services, our community living services, and our employment and day services.
An organization like this is wonderful for Sheila and many others with special needs because they get to go out and go shopping and go on, various field trips, and they just feel like they're part of the community.
Our organization is important to the community because of the job training that we're providing to individuals, because we do have some folks that will go out into the workforce and become employees of local businesses.
We are very excited with the partnership that we have had with IBEW and Local 134.
I probably had 70 people that wanted to come here today, but I really had to put it down to about a dozen to 15.
They have actually offered their apprentices as well as their instructors to come out to our new location.
And a lot of the people here today are from our ladies group, our women in the trades. They jumped at the chance.
As an electrician, to work doing this is absolutely, it's wonderful. I'm glad that I'm able to do this.
They donated their time in order to upgrade our building and get it up to code so we can then begin servicing our special needs individuals at our new location.
We're going to be able to practice what we're learning in a manner that is meaningful because we are helping other people.
We've got a lot of different electrical repairs we're doing here.
When they came in on a Saturday to help us replace some outlets, fire safety signs, they pulled some new wire, they pulled some old wire, which was really a good thing.
I found a problem.
A lot of the wiring was done by maybe a handyman or somebody over the years, and it just was kind of messed up. So when you're troubleshooting things and the wire color is changing along the way, your best bet, if you can, is to just take it all out and start over again.
And help us bring this building up to code so that we can get our occupancy permit.
One other contractor that helped us out a lot in this was Durkin Electric, was gracious enough to pull the electrical permit for us and send out one of their service trucks with a guy today to help out. So we've been going back and forth to the truck, mining things out of it that we didn't know we would need. So it's like having a little Home Depot right in the parking lot.
For today, we're working on getting some lighting going in some of these rooms. A lot of it is us replacing some outlets that are not safe for the space. So we're replacing those. We're putting in GFCIs to make sure that electrically this is safe.
The electricians and the apprentices were all very interested in what we do as an organization and how they could help us to open this building. They were very prideful of their work.
Prior to becoming a part of Local 134, I had some experience working in a behavioral mental health hospital, and so I've always had a compassion for helping other people.
It has really helped us to get closer to opening our new location.
It's something I feel like that's ingrained in us early on in the apprenticeship, is that you're here to learn the tools that you need in order to take care of your family, but you also are learning the tools in order how to be a better citizen in the community too by giving back.
Our union has so many people that are just dying to give back and take advantage of a chance like this to give back. It makes you feel good to be a part of Local 134.